Welcome back to the third and last video with Dan and Eric. Derek, I would call it. That's the name of his channel.
There we go.
We've got an iPhone, brand new, that we just purchased. And we've got the Boring Company Flamethrower. Which one cost more money? This one did, actually. So this thing is a good deal. It's cheaper than an iPhone. Shout out to our friend TechRax. This is the only burning down of a phone video that we're going to do. He has much cooler ones on his channel doing lava and all kinds of stuff. But today we've got a flamethrower. We just have this brand new phone sitting around that we are not using. Seems like a perfect thing to do with it, to set it up and empty, maybe we'll say, what, 20 seconds with the flamethrower on it and see if the phone will still work. How long will the iPhone last? Let us know in the comments. And yes, Lincoln is still at golf camp. We'll have him back shortly and we'll return to our regular programming, but when you've got a Boring Company, not a flamethrower, you gotta have fun with it. All right, let's get to it. Let's unbox this thing. Take that plastic off. Oh, look at that box. Here we go. Nice. We've got the manual in there, the beautiful phone with the plastic. Oh, that is clean. That is matte black. Marquez would love this.
Matte black, all of the things.
You can always use an extra phone charger. They always get lost, especially with kids in our home. So I'm gonna pocket these. First, what I think we'll do is we'll turn it on, make sure that it works, and then put on a nice video on here and see if it'll keep playing while we're watching. So we have our phone entirely set up. See, the audio works, the video works. You gotta be resourceful. So I'm thinking we use the sledgehammer to prop it up on, because this box is paper, or cardboard, it's gonna burn too fast. So I'm thinking we put this thing up somewhere right here. Let's turn on the phone full blast, and then we're gonna get the actual Boring Company, not a flamethrower, and we're gonna give it a shot. How long should we do it for?
I'll be surprised if it goes longer than 30 seconds.
Okay, we're gonna try to run it for 30 seconds.
Yeah.
We'll turn up the audio as loud as it'll go.
Nope.
All right, the sledgehammer did not work. Take two, Eric had a good idea. We're going to use the mannequin hand, and she can be holding it. We already know she's pretty fire resistant. I think that's totally gonna work. We're like,
we need something to hold it up. I wish we had something.
how about a hand? Let's burn it.
Flame on.
All right, let me see if I can remember how to turn this thing on. With this knob, this is it, guys. Burning an iPhone with not a flamethrower. Don't try this on your own. We are qualified adults, kind of. Okay, line them up. We're coming. Whoa! Ah! Right, 29. I think that's 30 seconds. All right, turn this off. Woo! We melted the iPhone. Let's check her out. Oh, her poor hand. She held that pretty well though. Oh, yeah, she's hot.
You know, toasty?
Yeah, so there's the phone. After a few seconds, like I could see the bubbling at the top. So Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, he does a burn test on all of his phones and he uses this little tiny lighter. This is much more extreme than that. All right, let's take a look at this thing. The box surprisingly held up very well. I don't know if the box is fire resistant, fireproof, like those Samsung Galaxy S7 cases where they made you ship them back. Look at this guy.
Oh wow, the back.
The matte black is turned a little red. And then you can see around the top edges, it's like the glue is pushing off, like melting off. They're having a little separation. I'm sure the battery got hot and started pushing against it. All right, so Eric's gonna change it out and put a fresh propane tank. So this is $3.98 at your local hardware store. We bought a bunch of them. I think, you know, this is cool. It looks great. We know the phone's dead. It won't work anymore. Let's just keep going with it. Let's just light it up.
Let's empty a canister.
An entire canister on the iPhone. Should we put them back in their hand, you think?
Let's see who gives out first, the phone or the hand. Ready?
Oh my gosh. Look at the side of this phone. It is cracked open. The entire front screen. That poor girl's nasty finger. It is still flaming hot. It is on fire. I don't know if it's the phone that's on fire, the hand, or the box, or probably all three. Look at that, guys. The entire phone is on fire. The insides of it. Don't want to breathe in lithium-ion battery gases. I'm gonna try to take the screen off of it. Oh, look at that. The screen just came right off. Oh my gosh. Look at the inside of the battery. It's like, looks like it didn't even get touched with the flames.
Does that mean we need to get a new canister?
I don't know. Now you know with an iPhone, if it does catch on fire in the front, if it's getting sprayed with a flamethrower, the back metal protects it really well. This isn't the glass iPhone 10. This metal protects it really well, and then you've got these 3 different layers from the screen that really protect the inside and the battery. That's some pretty intense heat. You would think the battery would have just like exploded. You can still read all of the text on that entire thing. What do we do with the thing? Do we hit it with this?
Definitely damaged it now.
Oh, there's your lithium-ion battery after you've hit it a few times.
It's seen better days for sure.
You can even still see the Taptic engine down there at the bottom, like the Taptic thing where you push the button and it vibrates. We inadvertently are doing what's inside of an iPhone 7 with a flamethrower. So this is the last of the flamethrower videos, at least until we get our own, not a flamethrower. But Eric, thank you so much for coming and showing us this.
Yeah, it was a pleasure.
Now go back, take this back home and do some safer things with it. Now that you know of the dangerous things, we pushed it to the limits today. Again, check out Eric's channel. He does a lot of things about Tesla, and he has a great website called Tesla Inventory, where I search all the time for used cars and always dream if I got another one, which one would I get? And it's usually on his website. Thanks for watching, guys. Go check out his channel. We'll put a link right here. Adios.